The new friend of the monkey. One day, a little monkey saw a new bird's nest on a high branch near his house. He was very happy and went to visit his new neighbor to make friends. But every time he came, his new neighbor was asleep, and the monkey could not meet him. He wondered, why does he sleep all day long? He should wake up and work with everyone. The monkey went to visit the cornfield and saw that the corn had been stolen. Seeing the footprints of mice left behind, the monkey thought he would ask the kitten to come and catch it. But that night, the sound of chit, chit woke the monkey up. Looking out into the garden, the monkey saw something catch the leader mouse, and the other mice ran away in panic. The next morning, hearing the monkey's story, the kitten looked up at the bird's nest on the high branch and said, "The owl caught the mouse for you. He sleeps all day. He has to sleep during the day to catch mice at night." At that moment, the monkey finally understood that his new friend was not lazy at all. Moral of the story. 1. It is important to judge people by their actions, not by their appearance. 2. Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye for now, and remember to subscribe to catch the next great story.